Hello, Sycamore. It's Thursday and it's time for our whiteboard challenge. I'm going to make myself a little bit smaller so you can see what letters we're using. All of the words are the words, the sound that you've had for your spellings, and they'll either be spelt I-R or U-R. Okay, they're your spelling words. Now there are 10 altogether. And remember, our whiteboard challenge, you get 1 point for every word you get right. So the first thing you need to do is to pause this video, get yourself a piece of paper or your red workbooks and a pencil. Off you go. Right, you're back. So we're going to start. So remember, they're your spelling words and they're either spelt I-R or U-R. Okay? Here's the first one. Girl. Pause the video while you write that down. Girl. Right, let's see. See if you got that right. Girl. Did you get that one right? If you got it right, give yourself a point. Well done. Right, number 2. Are you ready? Shirt. I'm wearing a blue shirt. Shirt. Pause the video while you write it down. Are you back? Let's see who got this right. Shirt. It's another IR spelling. Well done. Give yourself a point if you got it right. Maybe some of you have got 2 points already. Here's number 3. Third. Third. Pause the video while you write it down. Are you back? Let's see. Third. It's another IR. Give yourself a point if you got it right. So maybe some of you have got 3 points now. Right, you ready? Number 4. Bird. The little bird was in the garden. Bird. Pause the video while you write it down. Bird. Are you back? Let's see if you got it right. Bird. Give yourself a point if you got that spelling right. I think some of you are going to be doing really well on this. Are we ready? The next one. Number 5. Are we ready? First. I came first in the race. First. Pause the video while you write it down. First. Are we back? Let's have a look. See who got that. First. It's another IR. If you got that right, give yourself a point. Well done. Here's the next word. Number 6. This is the 6th word we've done. Are you ready? Turn. I did a big turn. Pause the video while you write it down. Are you back? Let's have a look and see who got that. Turn. Look, it's the UR spelling of the sound this time. Turn. Give yourself a point if you got it right. Are we ready? Number 7. Hurt. I hurt my knee. Hurt. Pause the video and write it down. Are you back? Let's have a look and see if you got this one right. Hurt. It's the UR spelling of the sound. Hurt. Give yourself a point if you got it right. Here's the next one. Number 8. Burst. I burst the balloon. Burst. Pause the video while you write it down. Are you back? Let's have a look. Are you ready? Burst. If you got that right, give yourself a point. Give yourself a point. Right, number 9. We've nearly finished. We've only got 2 more to do. Number 9. church. On Sunday, I went to church. Church. Pause the video and write it down. Are you back? Let's see, you ready? 1, 2, 3. Church. There's two ch sounds, and the is the UR. If you've got that right, give yourself a point. Right, you ready? The last one, number 10. And I think you'll all get this right because we've been practicing so hard when we were in school with our weather chart, and it's a days of the week. Are you ready? Number 10, Thursday. Today is Thursday. Pause the video and write it down. Are you back? Let's have a look. Thursday. 1, 2, 3. There it is. If you got that right, give yourself a point. So if you got them all right, that would be amazing, and you'd have got 10 points. Okay, so that's the end of our whiteboard challenge, and they were your spelling words. So well done, Sycamore. I'll see you a little bit later for your literacy lesson. Bye-bye.